What's up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at our house. Today I'm going to tackle this thing right here. It has had a lot of pollen and stuff covering it because all the trees we have around here, and it's really dirty. If you sit on the swing, you get it all over your clothes and we can't use it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to get my pressure washer and I'm going to pressure wash this whole thing. I'm going to try and get up there the best I can, do the floor, do the table, and get this thing all shiny and clean. You guys want to come along with me and help me? Damn it, man. It's always something. So, I was going to do the gazebo, and now this thing will not start. It will not crank up. I've tried everything that I can without taking it apart and looking at the carburetor, which is what I'm going to do now. So, let's see if we can get this thing fixed so we can finish what we started. It's always something. So we're going to take this top off first so we can get down in there. Take this off, take that off. We're going to drain this gas out of here. Well, that's it for this episode, guys. I really appreciate you coming by and spending this time with us. Please let us know down in the comments below what you think, if you like these little projects, and we will do more of them. So thanks for coming by, and we will see you guys on the next video.